Welcome back to the Hitch House. Today we will be checking out a gorgeous Class A gas motorhome, the 2021 Baystar Sport by Newmar. This Baystar Sport is built with the 3014 floor plan, meaning it sits on a next generation Ford motorhome chassis and is powered by a powerful 7.3 liter Triton V8 engine to get you to your favorite campsites in no time. The Baystar Sport also comes with tons of well-lit storage for you to keep all of your belongings for all of your journeys, whether that's a month-long trek or a quick weekend adventure. Underneath the coach, you will also find an Onan 4.0 generator, beside a huge rear storage compartment, the perfect size for an advanced elements inflatable kayak. At the back of the coach, you will find a ladder for easy roof access to check those seals, and a hitch to use with the Baystar Sport's 5,000-pound towing capacity. The 3014 comes with dual slide-outs, a rear bedroom slide on the passenger side, and a giant full-wall slide-out on the driver's side of the coach, giving this big gas motorhome even more floor space. Other exterior features on the 2021 Baystar Sport 3014 include a large power patio awning, frameless dual-pane windows, a 1200 watt inverter, and tons more. As we enter the Baystar Sport, you will find that the features don't stop on the outside. You will be wowed by the stunning interior not normally found in gas motorhomes. Packed with all the amenities of home, it will feel like you've never left. In the living area, you will find a super comfortable sleeper sofa which folds down in the blink of an eye to provide 2 sleeping spots for guests. Across from the sleeper sofa is the living area's second sleeping option, the Euro dinette sleeper combo. In a few easy steps, this dinette folds down into an awesome sleeping space for 2. Beside the dinette, you will find one of the main entertainment systems within the Baystar Sport, a giant LED TV for your viewing pleasure. The Baystar Sport kitchen comes decked out with all the amenities of home, including a Whirlpool microwave, solid surface countertops, stainless steel sink, and a 3-burner gas cooktop with stove. Perfect for making your favorite meals on the road. The kitchen also comes jam-packed with plenty of storage. And now we head to the Baystar Sport's midship bathroom, complete with vanity, stainless steel sink, solid surface countertops, and a stand-up glass shower. It's the perfect spot to clean off after a day of adventuring. Now that we're all cleaned up, we head into the master bedroom. The Baystar Sport comes equipped with a queen-size bed, very comfortable and perfect for catching those midday naps at the campground. If you're not interested in sleeping, catch a movie on the LED TV, surrounded by plenty of hardwood cabinetry and tons of storage. At the helm of the coach, you'll find Xite dash touchscreen radio system, rear view monitor, Rand McNally navigation, adjustable steering, and luxury captain's chairs. And last but not least, our final sleeping spot, the drop-down over cab bunk, a perfect spot to watch a movie on that living room LED TV. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn more about the Newmar Baystar Sport 3014 or any of our other models, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-378-7118 to schedule your in-person walkthrough or to set up a virtual appointment with one of our Motorhome Specialists. Stay safe out there, and we look forward to seeing you soon.